Okay, we're getting towards the end of our underlying braid. And as you're braiding hair, you want to make sure you're checking with your client on the tension. Ask them if it hurts too much. You do want it to be tight because, of course, the longer you wear your braids, the more it'll loosen up. Because braiding is great to help your hair growth. It stimulates those roots. But if it's too tight, you can damage it and actually pull the hairs out, and then they won't grow back for a good while. Make sure everything's all smoothed out so you don't have too many bumps. Try to keep the braid nice and smooth. And we've got our underlying braid, and you'll see how to start the one that goes over the top. It's really easy. This is something that looks extremely difficult. It's very neat. It's one of my favorite things to do, especially in a multi-level braid, because you get a short little design with a little bit of effort, but a very well-looking, very well-groomed hair.